Hi everyone, I've got a Volvo S40 here on a 2006-2007 plate. Just changing a headlight bulb on this. Just going to show you which one it is first. Can you switch the lights on please? As you would see now, here we go. The passenger side front is working, but the driver side isn't. Now the customer's already removed the headlight, but he didn't have the bulb. But I'm going to show you how it's done. Lights off please. It's quite easy. That little pin there, that needs to pull out. So you can either do it with your finger if you've got small fingers. And if you don't have small fingers like me, then I would suggest you use a screwdriver, which I've got a bent one here. I gently lift this up. And then from the back, as you see the plastic cover there. You gently push it forward, just so it comes out of this end here. That comes out. And then from this end, push it like towards the wingway. So if you gently push it towards the wingway, that the whole thing would just then come out. As you see, the light's all out, right? So that's the plug there. You can unplug it, but I mean, obviously I'm not going to unplug it because it's just going to be too long. So I'm just going to get the customer to hold the camera for me, please. Thank you. Now on the back here, you've got this little clip here, this little clip here. Like I said, the customer's already taken the bulb out. So there is no bulb in there at the moment. But for me to replace it, I'll gently lift this out. Got the H7 bulb, which is a quantum one. These are original Audi bulbs. So obviously I had to buy it from Audi. I had to buy a pack from Audi. But it goes on any car that has H7 bulbs, which is, that's the number there. It's a 2-pin. I'll always hold it from the back, never touch the lens. So take this clip forward. Now there's only one way the bulb would go. It'll be obviously this way because the pin lug is here. Then you push it forward, connect it back together, and then put the cover on, slot the cover in. Make sure the cover goes in nice and easy. That's it, clipped in. And then this lug here would go in there, as you'd see. So if you gently push it forward, so we need to make sure this sits in properly. That's it. Nope, there's a problem somewhere. So we need to take it back out. That's it. Here we go. It's all done. Get the pin back here again. That pin then would go in that slot there. As you can see, facing this way in. That's it, job done. Now we're going to get the customer to just switch the lights on. If you could do that again for me, please. Bingo! That's all done. Thank you for watching our video. Any more information, please do let us know. We're trying to help you out. Thank you. Goodbye.